Welcome back to my channel and another episode of Shandera Creates. But hold up, wait a minute, let me put some boom in it, let me put some boom on it. If you're not subscribed to the channel, make sure you subscribe so you can join our awesome Shandera Creates family. Make sure you thumbs up this video, and if you are a part of our shout out, make sure you stay tuned to the end of the video. In this episode of Shandera Creates, I'm going to teach you 4 easy DIYs on how to make butter slime. Because you know I like that butter. I like that butter slime. So if you would like to see the easy ways, make sure you stay tuned to the video. Also, at the end of, towards the end of the video is the no glue version to butter slime. It's really cool. I added lotion and conditioner because you know I have to teach y'all how to make butter slime. So make sure you stay tuned to half the video for the butter slime recipe with no glue. Thanks so much for watching, and let's go. So you want to start off with glue. I'm using this Dollar Tree glue that I got at the Dollar Tree store, and it's a 4-ounce bottle of glue. Now I'm going to add shaving cream, just a little bit. I would say I added about 2 tablespoons of shaving cream. You don't want to add too much, and you just want to mix that in until it's combined. Once it's combined, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. This is 1/8 of a cup, which is 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. Now I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of cacao powder. You can use any chocolate powder you have around the house, and I'm just going to mix this all in until it's combined. You just want to get all that cornstarch and all that cacao powder mixed in it. Now I'm going to add 2 1/4 teaspoons of baking soda. So this is baking soda, you guys, and we're just going to mix that into it's combined. It's not baking powder. If you heard me say baking powder, I just mean baking soda, okay? Excuse me if I say baking powder. So just mix in that baking soda, and it's 2 1/4 teaspoons. Now I'm going to add our contact lens solution. This is the Equate brand. Of course, you can use any brand you like. I'm going to add a little more, and then we're going to mix it in. Now, after we mix it in, I'm going to use my hands to mix up the rest, because you just want to get all that contact lens solution inside of it. The bowl may be a bit sticky, that's fine. And there you have it. Now you have your butter slime. This is a chocolate butter slime. Of course, it is easy to play with, and I really hope you enjoyed this chocolate butter slime. So we're going to use the same glue we used for the chocolate butter slime. We're going to add the 4-ounce container. Make sure you use all that glue that you have in that 4-ounce bottle of dollar store glue, you guys. Now I'm going to add 5 pumps of regular lotion. You can use any lotion you like. After you add that 5 pumps in, you want to take a spoon and mix it in until it's combined. Once all of that is combined, we're just going to add a bit of water to it. So I'm going to add about 2 tablespoons of this water. I eventually ended up adding all this water to it. So once you're done adding all that water, you're going to add a 1/4 teaspoon of mica. You can use any mica. You can use gel food coloring, whatever type of food coloring you have laying around the house you can use. Now I'm going to add our borax solution to it. So I'm just adding a bit of the borax solution to mix it in so we can get our slime. Whichever way you do your borax solution, go ahead and do it. I just do a tablespoon to a cup of water. That's how I do my borax solution. Now we're just going to mix it in. And once this borax solution is mixed into the slime, now we're going to begin to add molding clay. So you can find molding clay or magic model clay at Walmart. This is where I got this at, and this is the easiest way to make butter slime. So eventually I just used 3 pieces and I just put them in there, and then after I put them in there, I mixed it in, and once I mixed it in, I kept doing that until I pretty much got butter slime. It became thick and swirly, and there you have it. Look at that butter slime, you guys. So I really hoped you enjoyed this one as well.
So for this buttery slime, I'm using the same amount of glue, 4 ounces. I'm adding some shaving cream to it, not too much. Make sure you do not add a lot of shaving cream, you guys, just a little bit. We're going to mix that until it's all combined and nice and smooth. Now we're going to add 2/4 teaspoons of baking soda, and we're just going to mix that in until it's combined. Now you guys, if you see that mica pigment, is just from the last butter slime I made, nothing special, so don't get too hyped about it. Now we're just going to add contact lens solution, you guys. Y'all know I love the Equate brand, so we're just using the Equate brand of contact lens solution. We're just going to mix that in until it's combined, you guys. Once that is combined, it should be easy. You should get a slime, so we're just looking to get a slime so we can begin to add our clay. So I am using the brand Sculpey, and this Sculpey clay, I'm adding it to the slime, but I'm adding it just to a little piece of slime. So this is just oven clay, or polymer clay as you could call it, and this does make butter slime as well. So if you have some polymer clay laying around, go ahead and use it. So what I did was took a little piece of slime, added some Sculpey to it, and now I'm just mixing in that Sculpey, you guys, all the way in, because you want to mix in that Sculpey clay, or polymer clay, before you mix it into your slime. So once you mix in the Sculpey with that little piece of slime, then you want to mix it in really well. And after you do that, then you want to combine it into the rest of your slime, you guys. Just mix it in. You know the drill. You know you gotta mix slime. Slime takes a lot to mix, so you just want to mix it in. And now you have your butter slime. Once it's pretty thick and tough and ready and moldable, you pretty much have your butter slime. So that's your Sculpey clay butter slime. This was my favorite one because it looked like strawberry cheesecake. Look how delicious it looks. So the next one we're going to do is a butter slime. We're going to use a 1/4 cup of soft soap, and this is just hand soap. However, if you don't have soft soap, you can use any hand soap you like. The key is to getting all of the hand soap out of your 1/4 cup. Once you do that, we're going to add just 2 pumps of this 2 pumps of this conditioner. You can use any conditioner you like. You just want to use 2 pumps of conditioner, not too much, you guys, because you don't want it to look watery. And then we're going to add 2 pumps of this Moroccan infusion lotion. You can use any lotion you like, but that is just 2 pumps. You guys, don't be using all that lotion or it will look watery. Now we're going to start off by adding a 1/4 cup of cornstarch, and we're just going to mix that in until it's combined. So that's a 1/4 cup of cornstarch, and once it's combined in, you guys, we're going to begin to add another 1/4 cup of cornstarch to this mixture. So all in all, I think I used about 3/4 a cup of cornstarch. I didn't use a lot of it. I just wanted to use a little bit, so I didn't use a cup. I eventually ended up using 3/4 a cup, and with the last one I sprinkled it on top, and I continued to sprinkle it so we could just get the butter slime. So you can see it's pretty much becoming butter slime. Now what we're gonna do is add a cupful of canola oil, you guys. This is the Kroger brand. Y'all know I love Kroger, although here we call it, in Arizona, I think it's called Fry's. So yes, it's Fry's here. And in LA or like Cali, it's Ralph's. So I say Ralph's, that's what I say, but it's really Ralph's. So that's pretty much, you want to mix in that canola oil, you guys, and now you have butter slime. Thanks so much for watching this video, you guys. I really hope you like all my butter slimes. Let me know in the comments what was your favorite one that you're going to make. Make sure you're following me on all my social media sites and you tag me in your slime video. Love you so much. Bye, you guys.
So shout outs for this week goes to, drumroll please, these lovely people right here and these lovely people right here. Thanks so much for being part of our emoji game every Saturday and being part of our shout out family. I'm so happy you guys won. You guys are the bomb. Also, if you would like to be a part of our shout outs on Tuesday, make sure you like this video. Make sure you're following me on my social media sites. Make sure you're subscribed to the channel with notification bells on, and you're playing the emoji game on Saturday, which we do every Saturday. So make sure you're doing all that so you can be part of our shout outs on Tuesday, of course. So thanks so much for watching. Also, make sure you hang out with us live every Tuesday and Thursday because live streams is lit. And for the summer, we go 2 days a week. And when summer is over, then it'll just be 1 day a week. So make sure you go hang out with us live. Love you guys so much. And I'll see you in our next episode of Shandera Creates.